So I wanted to see if I could fly the drone down the driveway. It does have sensors, so if you get too close to something, it will, well, it should just stop moving. However, I have learned if you're going too fast, those sensors don't work fast enough. So I've figured out you don't show off when you're flying the drone. And I'm up on the platform. If you watched the other video, you saw me on that platform. So I'm not on the road here. I'm not near the drone, but I can see it. So what I decided to do was fly down through here, through the trees, and make this turn right here in the driveway. And then I think I went up to the flag, and perhaps I turned down the fence line and flew off over there. And again, I'm I'm pointing at things with the mouse pointer and talking. I was just out there having fun, and like I said, practicing with the drone. I mean, I've wrecked a few of them showing off. So if you have a drone, I recommend you don't show off. I did notice as I was looking at the screen, that looked like a cross on top of the flag. It's actually a light. Not that it's a bad thing that it looks like a cross, but it's a light so that the flag is illuminated at night. I do wish it were a little brighter, but it is what it is. I do fly my flag 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and I am proud to be an American, and I'm proud to, well, of course something has to make a sound. There I am right there. See that platform? That's me standing up there. All right, well, that wraps up another edition of The Axe Files. I'll see you next time.